Hi friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of freezing on the application of DoorDash. We click on settings. In this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about DoorDash and you will enter. Here you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that you'll enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can delete your account or can cause you errors in your app. In the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again. If it's not working with you, then you can update your app on Play Store. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.